Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So happy Navratri to you all. Navratri ke shubhkamnaएं. Such a happy time. I love festivals or Indian festivals की बात ही कुछ और है, and I hope you are all taking care but yet enjoying this festive season. 2020 is going to be different, but we'll make the best of it. तो हमारे यहाँ विकास ने अभी आपको दिखाया how things have changed. It's October, it's fall. It's actually the most beautiful time of the year. And we cook all these different things, which, using pumpkins and cinnamon, and the house smells good. It's their festival, हमारा festival है, और हमारे Hindu festivals भी आ रहे हैं. So, it's a time to enjoy all that. So are we ready? People are joining in, or should we wait? Wait a couple more minutes.
We can talk about where you're from. Where
yeah.
You're asking.
Okay. So I was born and raised in Mumbai, and I've been in Michigan for the past 28, 29 years. It's been a long time. Magar, Vikas is from Delhi. I'm from Bombay, and our kids were born here. Magar, हमारे जो roots हैं are still in India, and we are very, very, very close to India in our hearts. हमारे parents India में हैं. Hi mama, hi daddy, they are in Delhi, and they stay awake till 11 o'clock to watch me. So welcome you all. And today we will make a Lebanese, Lebanese dish. It's called menaish or menakish. There's two different ways of pronouncing it. It's basically bread. I love bread. So it's bread with za'atar, spices, and I'm going to use some cheese, Amul cheese. So it's a traditional Mediterranean dish. And Vikas, you want to come this side? तो दिखाते हैं क्या ingredients हैं. So वो bread का base बनाने के लिए we have मैदा, flour, all-purpose flour, and we're going to use active yeast, little bit of sugar to activate the yeast. And this is za'atar. Za'atar is a Mediterranean spice. So ये dry thyme है, sumac और sesame seeds. छोटे छोटे white तिल जो है ना वो sesame seeds हैं, और इनको crush करके and sumac. This is sumac. ये थोड़ा it's coarse, it's khatta. It gives it a great color, the reddish purplish color, which you see in Mediterranean cuisine. It has a little bit of khatta type taste. Hamari mango powder, similar to that, not really, but similar. So thyme hai, this is fresh thyme. This is from my garden. This is fresh thyme. Isko dry karke un log, and this is oregano, and of course ये हमारा धनिया, cilantro. But इनको dry करके वो ये powder बनाते हैं called za'atar. It's very, very flavorful. So we're going to be using that with olive oil to top this bread. ठीक है, so first we will make the dough. उसके बाद हम hummus भी बनाएंगे. So we have a lot to do. ठीक है, so go ahead. This is 2 cups, about 300 grams of मैदा, all-purpose flour. मैं इसमें about थोड़ा सा activate करती हूँ yeast को. So that's a little bit of sugar. ये 2 चम्मच active yeast है, instant active yeast. Gonna put that. And थोड़ा सा it's lukewarm water, ठंडा नहीं है, just lukewarm, just to activate it. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा मिला देंगे. So हमारा जो yeast है वो active हो जाएगा. Active का मतलब है ऐसे it becomes like bubbly, and active dough that creates makes the dough crisp and airy. ठीक है, वो हो गए. अब ये जो बचा हुआ चीनी है, sugar, I'm going to just put it in our flour along with a teaspoon of salt. ठीक है, I'm going to let this just activate a little. How's everyone doing? Staying safe? Mask is a must. घर के अंदर इतने महीनों से है, that's okay, and if you have to go out, wear your mask, wash your hands. In fact यहाँ पर भी हमारा, लेकिन Michigan is doing pretty good, मगर अभी यहाँ पर भी numbers बढ़ रहे हैं, so we have to be careful. The kids have been told to be careful, mask everywhere we go, so you know, we just have to ride it out. But in the meantime, let's enjoy our festivals, right? Let us live, let us cook, let us eat. Travel नहीं कर सकते तो क्या हुआ? We're bringing Lebanon home. Okay, there you go. ठीक है, एक मैंने ऐसे परात लिया हुआ है, उसमें आटा डाल दिया, and now I'm just gonna mix this ये ईस्ट का पानी into it, ठीक है, and let it all come together. You can use a standard mixer with a hook attachment. Just put everything together, let it knead for 7-8 minutes. You could do that, or the old-fashioned way, like this. मैंने oven को 400 degrees या 200 degrees Celsius पे on करके रखा हुआ है. Always the right thing to do is preheat your oven to the temperature you need, so that you can bake well. Yeah, that's a must. ठीक है, अब मैंने ये फिर से ये just like tempered water कहते हैं ना, lukewarm पानी. तो इसको जैसे आप आटा गूंदते हैं वैसे गूंदना है. ये है कि you have to knead it well so that ये flour में जो gluten होता है ना, that gets active. The gluten is what gives it the crispiness and the airiness. So इसका जो protein है in the flour, that needs to get activated, and for that you have to keep kneading it. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी डालते जाइए आप till it all comes together, and then we will knead it. Okay, I need a little bit of olive oil or ghee. Let's put some ghee. इसमें मैं about 2 चम्मच घी मिला रही हूँ. You need that little bit of fat, right, to get the dough soft. Yeah, I like to use the ghee because first of all it's the good fat. ऊपर से it gives it a good rich texture.
What kind of flour is this?
All-purpose maida, all-purpose flour, high gluten. You can mix whole wheat in it if you want, but traditional वाला बनाना है तो all purpose. ठीक है, all purpose is मैदा. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा और पानी यूज कर रही हूँ. Can everyone hear me?
Good.
Good. Good. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the trees in our backyard. That has been like, it's such a joy. So spring में सारे trees green हो जाते हैं, and then in summer they are lush. Then in fall they change color and they fall. So we're getting ready for winter. Yeah. So see, now that it has come together, now I'm gonna. So ये जो है ये it's like push down, knead and roll, knead and roll. This is a method which will actually make your dough nice, like it will fluff up after we let it sit. ठीक है? So ये एक काम है जो आप करेंगे. You will knead it out, roll it over, knead it out, roll it over. So for it to come together really well, आपको ये at least 7 या 8 minute करना है. Like you just this, unless you use the standard mixer, and then it will be done automatically. नहीं तो see how nicely it's becoming smooth. Any questions so far? None? There you go. So it's coming together into a nice round, soft. It has to be soft. ठीक है, not tough. इसको knead कर करके हमें soft बनाना है. ठीक है? So you keep doing that. I'm going to stop now so that we can continue. See, it has to be a soft आटा. ठीक है? अब इसे हम एक बोल में थोड़ा सा तेल डाल लीजिए. And then just coat it with that oil. Good. And abhi isko aap you'll set it out to rest for good 2 ghante, at least 2 hours, in a nice warm spot.
Can you repeat the name of everything you're doing again?
Yes. So we are making za'atar, which is a spice. Za'atar manaish, which is a Lebanese flatbread with za'atar and olive oil coated on it. And we're going to make hummus, just plain hummus. Usme jo variations hai, we can talk about it, right? Okay, so jo humne bhi aata banaya, aap usko let it rest for 2 hours. तो मैंने जो करके रखा है, I'm going to pull that out. तो मैंने ये बना के रखा था so that we can move on, right? So see, this is how it will end up. It'll be soft and kind of fluffy, stretchy. तो हमारा जो yeast है वो ठीक से active हो गया है, right? So I'm going to just transfer that to my rolling board. This is such a cool thing. आप देखिए, it's silicone का mat है, and it has got like measurements. सारे measurements है, inches. It's just centimeters. It's just so cool. I just love finding these things on Amazon and I order it. ठीक है. So ये आटा हमारा बिल्कुल तैयार है. So that's how it will be. It will be stretchy. Okay. So play with it a little. And then I'm going to just cut it into approximately 4 equal parts, right? So that's 1. 2. So actually आप ये recipe अपने नान बनाने के लिए use कर सकते हैं, or what else can you make with it? Yeah, naan is good. Naan या pita bread, right? ठीक है, तो हम इसको just keep it on the side. One is a little larger, but oh well. Okay. All right, let's take our guy. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा clear कर देती हूँ. So we have more room. Indian rolling pin. हमारे यहाँ अमेरिका में they have these huge long rolling pins for pizza. ये हमारा देसी. Yeah. Take a little bit of dry flour and हम अभी इसे roll करेंगे. Okay. It'll be a little stretchy, so use your dry flour. से रोल कर दो. Just like pizza dough. खाली ये थोड़ा it's not as soft. It's a little So the thing about Manaish is that इस dough पे, you know what, मैं इसको अपने baking tray पे अभी transfer कर लूँगी, नहीं तो बाद में it'll be hard. Right on the baking tray मैंने foil लगाया है. So with Manaish, you take your fingers and you dig into it, into the dough. जैसे आप छोटे-छोटे उसमें depressions बना रहे हैं. Okay, and you can also pinch the edges so it looks a little rustic. So when you put the olive oil and za'atar ka mixture isme, all these holes will soak it all up. So let's make our za'atar, and olive oil mixture. Let's take another bowl. ठीक है, तो हम अभी about 3 tablespoons of za'atar. I'm gonna just mix half a spoon of sumac in it. All right, and this is about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. मैं इसको mix कर रही हूँ इसमें, just to make it a nice paste. There, so it's a nice.
Isha Dhingra is here. She's always here.
Hi Isha. Welcome. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you guys try it. तो जो recipe है और description मैंने सब वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है in the description. I'm gonna make one more because we're gonna make one with cheese. उसके बाद I'll show you how to fill it up, right? Yeah, this is a nice dough. Just gonna put some flour.
Alison is here.
Hi, Ali. Yesterday was her birthday. Happy birthday, Alison. Oh, I want to give a shout out to my friend Leena Desai. Her and I were sitting together when I was like, yeah, what should I make and what should I call it? And you know, and then she came up with the ideas, and that's really nice, isn't it fun? जब हमारे friends and family सब involved in the process. It's fun.
Can you repeat these spices again?
Yes. So what I did was I took za'atar. It is a Middle Eastern spice made with dried thyme, sumac, and sesame seeds. और उसको मैंने इसमें mix कर दिया with olive oil to make a paste. ठीक है, हमारा second flatbread is ready also, and I'm going to put that on my tray.
And other spice was sumac?
Sumac, it's a berry. It's a berry जैसे हमारे like mango powder बनाते हैं या फिर अनार दाना. It's similar, not the same, similar, but it has the same properties. Okay, perfect. Yeah, similar, like you know, Italy में pizza बनाते हैं, यहाँ पर manakish बनाते हैं, India में naan बनाते हैं. You know, it just basically we have the same fundamentals of eating fresh bread with flavor. तो ये जो हमने paste बनाया है, okay, first of all let me make a few more depressions. We'll just put this right on top. Yeah, a lot. Doesn't it look like a lot? मगर जब आप taste करेंगे ना, you will see that you need that much. So if you go on my Facebook, Smita's Urban Kitchen, or Instagram, Smita's Urban Kitchen also, you will see कि मैंने already share किया है, you know, the method and some good pictures of this and the hummus. So please follow me, Smita's Urban Kitchen, on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube and my YouTube channel too. I have to get back there. ठीक है, so ये हमने किया. ठीक है, मैं इसके edges को थोड़ा ऐसा pinching it so that it looks old-fashioned. ठीक है. Now इस पे मैं थोड़ा और like I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna put cheese on it. So in the Middle East they eat this for brunch as a snack. या फिर कोई आ रहा हो तो पहले ही बना के आप रख सकते हैं. You can just toast it or not. It tastes great with tea. So for their brunch, this is a big part of that. That's their bread which they eat, and they serve it with hummus and meats and So yeah, I'm using just processed cheese. आप Amul का cheddar cheese use कर सकते हैं, mozzarella. It doesn't matter. Whatever you have, या फिर blend कर दीजिए. Okay, that's it.
Medha is on.
Oh, hi Medha. You made it. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna just put this. You know what? I like this za'atar taste on it. So I'm gonna just sprinkle. You don't have to. अच्छा मैं भी इसको oven में रख रही हूँ. It'll take about 8 minutes or so. ठीक है? Then in it goes. What is it? Timer. And for now, I'm going to put this all away so that we can get started with our hummus. Oh my God, we need to hurry. The hummus is not going to take too long, okay? And then we will just plate it and we'll be done. So hummus बनाने के लिए you need a food processor. Any food processor will do, not a big deal. And I have chickpeas, Kabuli chana, जो मैंने soak करके उबाला है. And I have also taken the skin out. इसके ऊपर जो skin होता है ना, some have it, some don't. Like this, that has to be out. ठीक है, so we have. I'm gonna just wash my hands a little more. Okay, along with Kabuli chana, you need tahini. So this tahini is white sesame seed paste. तो उसका थोड़ा तेल भी निकला हुआ. So it's sesame seed paste, store bought. मैंने store में खरीदा है. Then I have about 3 cloves of garlic. या हमारे garlic काफी बड़े होते हैं, so you all can use a little bit more. And see what I've done. मैंने lemon juice में उसे soak किया हुआ है. So उससे जो वो तीखापन होता है ना garlic का, that reduces. So I've just soaked it in lemon. I have some sumac and red chili ye for garnish. ठीक है? I have another trick for you. So what you do is take a food processor and you're going to put your chickpeas. And look at that. I'm putting a couple of cubes of ice. Just a couple. उससे वो it actually becomes smooth. The paste becomes smooth. It's going to be a little noisy, sorry. Good. Give it a good churn, and now you will add all your special ingredients, right? So ये जो skin है ना, that gives it a little bit of a rustic look. अगर आपको you want it like the store-bought hummus with very very smooth, then you just take all the skin out, okay? So अभी हमने ये tahini डाल दिया. It's about, I got about 3 tablespoons of it. We have about 3 cups of Kabuli chana, so or chickpeas, which is about 500 grams boiled chickpeas. Okay? And then, of course, our lemon and garlic. I'm gonna put a good spoon of salt. Alright, I've got to keep my olive oil handy. Alright, अभी हम इसको चलाएंगे. ये जो olive oil है, I'm gonna pour it in while it's going on, so it emulsifies. See, you'll notice it becomes so creamy. It may need a little bit of water. मैंने थोड़ा गर्म पानी है, very warm water. I'm going to put that in. That changed everything.
And the recipe is already in
It's on the thing. This would be a good time for you to check for salt or lemon juice. I like it a little more lemony, और मैं थोड़ा मेरे पास आधा नींबू है. I'm going to put a little bit more. I just feel like it needs it. Could be wrong, but hey, I'm sure it tastes great. Okay? One more round. Yeah, looks absolutely delicious and great. I think it is smooth enough, right? So आपको और smooth चाहिए तो you can continue to play with it. Maybe it's just a couple of minutes more. This nowadays people put carrot. आप थोड़ा boiled carrot डाल सकते हैं इसमें, beets डाल सकते हैं, more garlic, roasted garlic you can put more, for that flavor. You can do whatever you want, and they serve this with pita, with vegetables, with meats. It's just such a versatile thing. आजकल तो it's become, the Mediterranean diet has really picked up. People love that flavor. It's mild, it's tasty, it's fresh. The biggest thing is fresh, and they use that daily. And I'm kind of gravitating towards Mediterranean diet. So I have a nice, pretty bowl, which we're going to transfer this yummy hummus into.
Sangeeta Tandon Kapoor Tandon is saying hi.
Hi Sangeeta. How is everybody doing? See, look at that. So we got a lot of hummus. आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगे तो just use what you want, and you can put the rest in the refrigerator. It lasts for a good couple of weeks. Or you can just have the recipe and make fresh every time. Okay, how lovely is that? Now we need to, there's my little So this is how you dress it. Like this is your extra virgin olive oil. Just go ahead and drizzle it a little bit more. It just looks so nice on it. Right? And then sumac. So see, it gives it like that pinkish color. So आप जब fatouche order करते हैं, you know the pinkishness in the dressing is just this. Okay, I like to put just a pinch of red chili powder.
Preeti's on.
Hi Preeti. How are you guys? Staying safe? That's it. You can put cilantro, you can dress it up with your thyme leaves, just to make it a little more festive, right? So people eat this, like I said, with pita, fresh pita, pita chips, kebabs, just about anything. But this is how I like it. Look at my bowl of fresh cut vegetables. I like to serve it with that. And you just take your carrot and dip it right in. So that's how I like it, or fresh pita. So ये जो हमारा dough है, जो दो रह गए, which if you don't want to put the za'atar and make it like za'atar flatbread, you can just roll it out, make a pita out of it, cut it into triangles, and enjoy it with your hummus. I'm going to check on our za'atar, Manish. It's gonna take a little while to cook. You wanna just show it? It's coming along really well. So the edges have to become brown and the bottom has to cook. So it'll take about 8 minutes or so. And while we wait, like in case you don't have the oven. So I tried that also yesterday कि क्या करें. तो आप ये आटे को लेकर, you know, just roll it out. Let me see. Just roll it out like a roti or naan, and then you can put it on the tawa. Tawa पे आप बना सकते हैं. And so मैंने पहले try किया that I put the za'atar and oil on it and then covered it with a lid, but that didn't work. So the best way would be to cook it on both sides and then brush your za'atar on it. So in case you don't have an oven or don't want to use an oven, that would be the best way. So you roll it out. Just like you would a roti, and then you will cook it on a tawa. Let me bring a tawa. We cook it on a tawa, and then we put za'atar on it. Okay. Yeah. So we'll just try it this way also because we have the time. We're waiting for that to cook. Few minutes more, okay? So while we're doing, you can see that we can make it like this also. So how are you guys doing? Good with your washing hand technique? 20 minutes, scrub, 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 right? Keep doing that. wash your hands often, sanitize, mask, right? That's the new code. Hopefully अगले साल जब नवरात्रे आएंगे, दिवाली आएगा, we'll be free. Let's see, we can hope. All right, flip it. It needs a little heat. Cover a lid on it. All these are techniques to hasten the process, right? तो हम heat बढ़ा रहे हैं इनमें. That's all. Yeah, the manish is coming along very well. Very good. So it's nice and soft and fluffy. I'm gonna stop messing with it. थोड़ा उसको पकने दो. I'm kind of rushing the process, so let it cook. Yeah. Any questions for me?
Just repeat the
hummus.
Yeah.
So for hummus you need, I use 3 cups, and that's a lot. 3 cups of boiled Kabuli chana, chickpeas. So the thing is that even if you use canned chickpeas, it's best to boil it for 10-15 minutes to make this softer, creamier hummus. नहीं तो, you know, you may have noticed, आपने try किया हुआ, it just becomes like a little rough and coarse, and it has this very chana wala taste. So to remove that, boil it, remove the skin, and then you blend it with garlic, lemon juice, tahini, salt, and olive oil. That's it. It's as simple as that. And you can add your own flavors to it, like beetroot, carrots, roasted garlic. Yeah, now I'm happy. Now it's coming along well. हम इस पे थोड़ा घी डालेंगे, just because, you know what, we like it nice and rich. It's almost done. Start our paste. Ready. Here. See, this is how perfect. This will be your pita bread. You can just cut it into small triangles and serve it with your hummus. ठीक है, अभी हम इसको इस पे spread. So this is our alternative way of making manaish with za'atar, in case you don't want to use the oven or don't have access to one, or just, you know, want a quick way out. Right, we're putting all our paste to good use. There you go. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with some sumac. It just gives it that great exotic taste. Right? Just cut it. If you want it crisper, you just have to keep it longer. Okay? How lovely is that? Those are your little triangles. There you go. let's arrange it nicely. So you'll do the same when your mayonnaise from the oven is done, right? Yep, that's how I like it. And I like to serve this with like some onion rings, some radish, and tomato, right? That just makes it look so much better. Good. And this with your hummus, just go ahead and dig right into it. Now that's perfect. Vikas will eat this. I'm gonna put that right there. All right, let's check on what's going on in the oven. This is lovely. Just want to protect my silicone. So you can make this ahead of time, and it needs to cool off a little. So you can make this ahead of time and serve it to your guests, your family. Jo bachche ghar aayenge. This is just great, and the hummus has got so much protein, so much nutritional value. The za'atar itself with the sesame seeds is extremely tasty. So I hope you enjoyed this. So I would let this cool a little and then take it out and cut it out like that. Yeah, abhi to bahut garam hai, right? So this is good. So once again, happy Navratri. I hope you enjoy your Diwali the best you can with your friends and family. Best wishes from Vikas and me to all of you back home, here in the US, in Michigan. Love you guys and take care. Be safe. Bye now.